What is good everyone, DSG Panther here. Today we are going to be going stage 1 on my Polo GTI RTMG and DKU. Now we have actually installed the Clever clutch, which is the upgraded clutch for the DSG, so now it should be capable of up to almost 500 Nm meters, something like that. But yeah, it's going to be a bad boy whip now. So we're going to get out, do some data logging, do the mapping, see how it goes, see how much power we're running. It should be around 240 to 245. It's going to pull sick. But yeah, without further ado, let's get in the workshop, let's have a look at the car and see how good the map is.
Gangster, man. Gonna be a bit right here, right now. Have you heard this flute? It's a fluting car. The back box is coming off, man. What? Oh shit! Have you heard this? Have you heard this car?
Yeah, sounds mad.
Flute.
Sounds mad still.
Are you mad?
Alright guys, we are back from the stage 1. Literally it's pulling so hard right now, traction off, it just flies. Massive shout out to DKU and RTMG. The car is flying right now. Let's see, we've got Maj here, he's boss man.
How are you? Thank you. Yeah. I think you need to talk to him about exactly what happened first of all. So he's come back to say he's concerned about the clutch, innit?
Yeah. Clutch.
And I said, yeah, of course you can come in. Then your missus called. Yeah. Spoke to Lee. Yeah. Put the car in.
She cancelled it.
And then she cancelled it. So the car's come back for us to check.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden
we're getting to stage 1 now.
The boys have put stage 1 because he hasn't been cancelled off the system. So he's got a stage 1 and he got a big boy discount off me.
What is good everyone, we are now on our way back. Well, we're actually on our way to get the number plates for my new number plate, which if you don't already know, you're going to about to find out after this little section of talking about the stage 1 map. But yeah, so officially the car is now officially stage 1 with RTMG and DKU performance. Massive shout out to them too, because honestly this car is so quick. Let's hop into the stage 1. So the stage 1 is about 240 to 250 brake. We will get a dyno at some point. I will ask Maj from RTMG and DKU if we can do a dyno run, which will be pretty sick because I would like to see how much power the car is running. Yeah, so I would like to know how much power is running because it would be just quite cool. But yeah, there's roughly 240. I would probably put this at 240 just because no, not 240, 250 because this pulls so hard, and it might just be because of the torque. Because as you guys know now, we actually have the stage 1. It's not even a stage 1, it's more like a stage 3 Clever clutch upgrade kit for this car. So now we can push the power a little bit more, and it does pull really hard. So we will be doing a POV drive. Let me know if you want to see that in the comments below. But yeah, so it's about 250 brake, just over 300 Nm meters now, which is a lot more than what it used to be. Yeah, so definitely a lot more quicker, pulls up so much more. The car was really slow at, like, I would probably say once you get to 60 it just died off, and now it just keeps pulling and pulling and pulling and pulling. So we will do some race videos against couple of my friends and see how it does against a Scirocco and even an Audi TTS. We'll see what it does there. But yeah, performance wise it's 100% worth it. Thank you to Maj and Chris at RTMG and DKU. We'll be doing a massive Polo link up, so if you do want to be involved, make sure you get into that. But yeah, we are almost at Sam's now. We're going to get the number plates. Well, we can't actually install them yet because I'm waiting for the certificate, but we can show you what the number plate is, the brand new number plate. Without further ado, let's head there, let's show you the number plate, and then we can end the video there. Let's do it.
C- this a vibe. Legendary made this one.
Right guys, we have now got the plate. Thank you to SD Plates. I'm about to show you what the plate is. B21 DSG. So we've got B for Ben, 21 because I'm 21 this year, and then DSG because, you know, DSG Panther. Thank you guys for watching this video anyway. Follow me on Instagram, DSG Panther. We're almost at 10K. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.